आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे स्पेशल स्टेन्स की। और एक स्टेन जो हम लिपिड्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, सुदन ब्लैक बी इन प्रोपाइलिन ग्लाइकॉल स्टेन। प्रिंसिपल देखेंगे। द मोस्ट कॉमन स्टेन used to demonstrate fates or else soluble dyes. This group of dyes is more soluble in the fate than in alcohol. They are used in saturated form so that their uptake by the fate is made easy. This group of dyes include the orange red dye, Sudan second, Sudan fourth, oil red O, and Sudan black B. Sudan black B is most sensitive of them. अब हम इस स्टेन के रिएजेंट्स देखेंगे। पहले सुदन ब्लैक बी solution, dissolve 0.78 gram of Sudan black B in 100 ml of propylene glycol. Add small amount at a time with constant stirring. Heat to 100 degrees Celsius for a few minutes, stirring consistently. Filter through Wattsman number 2 filter paper. Cool to room temperature and then filter again. Store at room temperature and then filter again. Store at 60 degrees Celsius in the oven. The stain will keep for years. अब देखिए propylene glycol 85%, nuclear fast red. Dissolve 0.1 gram of nuclear fast red in 5% aqueous solution of aluminum sulfate. With the add of heat, cool, then filter and add a grain of thymol as a preservative. Cases glycerin, gelatin 10 gram, distilled water but warm 52.5 ml, glycerol 62.5 ml, phenol 1.25 ml. After mixing, place small aliquots in brown bottles. Melt as needed for use. अब हम प्रोसीजर देखेंगे। Dehydrate section in absolute propylene glycol for 10 to 15 minutes. फिर stain in Sudan black B for 10 minutes. Differentiate in 85% propylene glycol. Wash in distilled water. Counter stain in nuclear fast red for 1 minute. Wash thoroughly in several changes of distilled water. Mount in glycerol gelatin. रिजल्ट देखेंगे। फेड्स ब्लू टू ब्लैक, बैकग्राउंड जो होगा वो रेड होगा।